All right, time now for your Mortgage Minute with Abbott Mortgage Group. We are here with Jamie and Jason, the mother-daughter duo who have been answering our questions about that often tricky home buying process.
Yes, their goal is to help you achieve your dreams of home ownership. Today we're answering your questions, actually, to the team. Welcome back, ladies.
Hey, thanks for having us back.
Yeah, I love this.
Also, why did we miss the cake part? What?
We'll share a little bit after the show, a little bit. Gosh, it's so good. I want to jump right into these questions. I love that you guys are doing this. So number one, do I need a certain credit score to buy a home?
Credit score, income, and your savings are the three biggest factors of home buying. You're gonna read some articles online that say they look at your overall financial picture, but your credit score is a true reflection of how you borrow money and pay it back. And when you think about that scale when you're going to buy borrow hundreds of thousands of dollars to purchase a home, that's where it becomes such an impact. So a sweet spot, I would say, is from between 620 and 640. And I say that because if you're going to use any first-time home buyer programs, down payment assistance, they have minimum requirements between 620 and 640.
So good. My mom likes to say what she's most proud of is her credit score, not her children.
Should be, though, because it's a big deal and there's a lot of judgment on it. There's opportunities for lower credit scores, but no, there's going to be limitations with that too.
Yes.
All loans are not created equal, and credit score is a big influencer on that.
Okay, I want to talk about a HELOC. What is a HELOC?
It's not a person. It stands for a home equity line of credit is what it stands for. And it's where you're able to access the equity in your home for a lump sum, or it can be kind of revolving.
Here's the trick, though. A lot of times people want to get a HELOC, especially people that have bought recently. Your HELOC is going to be based on how much of your property you already own versus how much you still owe. And there's where limitations come in there. So we bring up the home equity line of credit because sometimes it's a great idea if you're thinking about renovating or you want to have access to some equity on your house quickly. But if you don't have enough equity in your house to do that and you are thinking about renovating, there's other options available to you for that. You can do a renovation loan, you can do a cash out refinance. There's other options that might be more aimed towards the goal that you're looking for.
Yeah. All right, question number 3. I want to buy a house, but my son is going to college and I may have to sign for him to get financial help. Will that mess me up for a loan?
So it's a great question. We were so glad it got sent in because so often this is what's happening. I mean, houses are expensive now and we're seeing parents step in more to help. Here's what you need to know. If you are on the mortgage, whether you are in the first position or the second, if you are the borrower or the co-borrower, that is going to limit your ability on your credit. It's going to use up your credit line as well. It'll show you're equally as responsible, even though your son is living there and maybe he's paying the bill. If something happens that he doesn't, it is going to affect your credit. Probably won't happen in that case, but it's something to be aware of. I mean, I tell a lot of my clients often, my husband and I, a lot of times we won't both be on the mortgage intentionally because I don't want my line of credit to be used up and his on the same product. So it's worth talking about, it's worth asking the questions about, it's worth knowing what your goals are and if it's a qualifying factor and it's a necessity or if it's just not.
Good advice.
I mean, and great questions too. Keep them coming, everyone out there, really and truly. But clients or prospective clients can ask you questions all the time. Let's talk about Abbott Mortgage Group and how you are helping out the community.
Okay, well, we love this question because we have a lot of exciting things coming up this year on our calendar. First, on the 18th, we are having Lulu Sippery come to our building and we're offering free coffee just for the opportunity for you to come in and ask questions or just grab coffee and go.
We're up in Hendersonville. It's called Coffee on the House, and our office is a white house. So we feel like it's very fitting. Come grab some coffee before you pick up children or before you run some errands in the afternoon or just simply want coffee, not to talk to us, just come hang out.
We also have several trainings planned for the year that you'll be able to find all this information on our QR code that leads to our website, that leads to our social media. I have come a long way, let me tell you. I am trying my best. And you'll be able to find it, but we've got opportunities to learn, we've got opportunities to ask questions, we've got opportunities just to have some coffee. So we're here to help, and we genuinely want to help, and we want to offer great advice that's really what you and your family need.
Well, you're doing it. Thanks for
Yes.
being here today.
Thank you.
ladies.
And really quick, today's my dad's 79th birthday.
Happy birthday, Big Al!
We got to share our cake now for sure.
Thanks for letting me get that in.
Thanks, guys. If you have questions, reach out and ask. Scan this QR code and visit abbottmortgagegroup.com to get started and get informed today.